Hello. So I made this app called FirePad. So basically it's a text editing app. Uh, it's similar to Notepad, but it's not a Notepad. It provides more features than a Notepad and it's better than Notepad. So let me tell you why. So these are the three main concepts that this app revolves on. So the first concept is shortcuts are everything, right? Um, you don't have to move away from your keyboard to edit something. Like if you want to increase the font size, if you want to change the color, you want to change the bold, italics, something text formatting, you don't need to move away from keyboard. All can be done from the keyboard, within the keyboard, using the keyboard shortcuts. That's it. Meaningful content generation. Meaningful content generation is something which I'll show you later, part of this video. Cross platform. FirePad is basically an Electron app, so it can be distributed to all the three platforms. At present, it's at version 1.0.0, so it's only available for Windows right now. But in later stages, I'll be releasing it for Mac and Linux too. So I'll put this website link down below. You can find it out. You can know more about it. You can contribute to this project more. So let me show you what's the problem with Notepad first. So here I'm in Notepad. I type something. Now I want to increase the font size. Is there any keyboard shortcut to increase the font size in Notepad? I don't think so. So I'll just stop it. This go to format, go to font, choose the font size. See, it's done. So many things just to change a font size. Here where FirePad comes in. So I have installed FirePad in my system. So this is what FirePad looks like. Simple UI, nothing much complicated. You double click here, menu hides, double click again, menu opens. It's that simple. So let's just do that. What I have done in Notepad. So I've just typed hello. I've increased the font size by going to menu and doing all those. But in FirePad, all you need to do is press Alt 4 and start typing. So this is one font size. You can go for bigger font size, plus Alt 5, start typing. You want to decrease the font size, Alt 2, start typing. That's it. It's all about keyboard shortcuts. So let me show you. There are a bunch of keyboard shortcuts that FirePad has. These are all the keyboard shortcuts that FirePad has it. So let me just delete them. And you have some basic FirePads like Control N, Control S, Open, Save, Control B, bold. I didn't press Control B, bold is on. That's it. Italics, underline, highlight. If you want to highlight this, Control H. You don't want to highlight again, Control H. That's it. It's that simple. You want to slide through it, Control this. It's done. So this is where FirePad comes in. So everything has a keyboard shortcut attached to it. They're not some random keyboard shortcuts. It's beautifully designed keyboard shortcuts. Like if you want to insert something, it will always start with Alt, insert, insert, insert. You want to increase something, size, H1, H2. So basically FirePad, it's a top level on HTML. So it works with HTML. So if I want to add a H1 tag, so I like Control 1, heading. Oh, sorry. Yeah. Control 1 and heading 1. So this is the font size. So it's at the larger size. I want to decrease it. Control 6. That's it. So all you have is keyboard shortcut. Now let me tell you about meaningful content generation. So this is what meaningful content generation means. So let me reset everything. Yeah. So what I'll do is I want to insert a link. So normally in Notepad, what we do is we just type the link https www.doodle.com. This is what you do. But in FirePad, you don't have to do that. It's a very bad way to do that. So I'll just press Alt A as you can see, Alt A, insert lint. I'll just type the URL https www.rodel.com, enter text, add lint, and there you go, your lint is added. So this is a clickable lint, so whenever you share this pad to someone, to your friends, they can simply just click this lint and Rodel opens right away. This is one part of being meaningful content. You can insert date, just Alt D. You can insert a line. So all these are based on keyword shortcuts. You can insert a to-do. This is my favorite feature in FirePad. All you do is press Alt T. A notepad which is not done, a to-do which is not done is there. So not done, any item which is not done basically. So you add it again, done. But once you have made something over, you want to tit mark it, just press Alt Y. That's it. It's done. So that's how easy it is to make some meaningful content in FirePad. So this is all what you can do with FirePad. Highlight, insert code, insert line, bold, italics, underline, insert date, add to-do item, align at center, align at left, align at right. Again, all within the keyboard, no need to move away from the keyboard, all because of this shortcuts. One more thing, when you save a FirePad app, you get two options: save it as a pad file and save it as a text file. So when you save it as a text file, you won't be seeing any of this links, highlighting, strike, anything of this to-do items list like that. It will, as a text, it will be there, but you won't see this highlighting. You won't see this blue mark. You can't click on that because text file doesn't support that, and FirePad supports it. So yeah, that's it. And one more thing, you have dark mode. There you go. That's all FirePad is all about. Give it a try, download it. Let me know if you want to contribute to this project. I'll be really happy to put you on team. And that's it. Thank you.